Hey guys, so today I thought I would show you what I eat in a day. I didn't eat breakfast today just because my meals are a little bit higher calorie today. Not like by a ton, but I felt like I didn't need it. And I also felt like I wasn't even that hungry for breakfast today. So, I mean, you obviously shouldn't skip meals, but today I did, and I'm about to have lunch now, and then I'm going to prepare dinner. So I'm gonna actually show you the recipes for a lunch and a dinner. So don't forget to subscribe before you leave if you have not already. And without further ado, let's go make some lunch. So for lunch today, I'm going to be making a spinach pesto mozzarella flatbread. And here I'm using a Stonefire flatbread pizza crust. You can get them at your Stop and Shop or Giant or whatever your grocery store is. Now I'm going to be adding some pesto. I like to use about 4 tablespoons of pesto for the whole flatbread. I made this for me and my friend, so I didn't eat the whole pizza. Now you want to take a few handfuls of spinach. I go pretty heavy on the spinach because it's a lot of nutrients. So just put your spinach on there. Now I'm chopping up fresh mozzarella. You don't want to use a ton of this because this is where your fat comes from, and it is a lot more calories than the pesto and the spinach. So just be wary of that and be careful of how much you use. Now I'm just taking a little bit of Italian seasoning and I'm going to sprinkle it on top. Now it's time to bake it. It goes in at 350 degrees for about 10 to 12 minutes. And this part is totally optional, but I like to have a little bit of balsamic glaze drizzled on top. And voila, it's all done. So I'm making a skinny mac and cheese, and right now I have 1 cup of this Protein Plus Elbows boiling. Well, cooking. The water's boiling. The actual pasta is cooking right now. And now I'm gonna start on the sauce. So to make the sauce, it's just a half a teaspoon of Dijon mustard, 1.5 tablespoons of flour, salt and pepper, and 1 cup of milk. And then you add the cheese in after this all like thickens up. Then you're just going to heat it to medium high and wait till it thickens up and start whisking it with a whisk. And I just added a cup of cheese. I had Mexican on hand, but you can use, you know, cheddar or whatever you want. So then you're gonna wanna just mix in the noodles like I did here. And I'm gonna pop it in the oven with a little bit of bacon bits for about 15-20 minutes. And it's done. Now, just to give you guys a tip when you're on a weight loss journey, my biggest tip that I've learned is to use smaller bowls rather than bigger ones, because it makes you feel like you're eating more food when you're not. So it's just like a mindful thing. So I really hope you liked this video. I wanted to show you guys that even if you're trying to lose weight and trying to eat healthier, you still don't have to deprive yourself of the foods that you love. Like mac and cheese is one of my favorite things to eat. So I just found a way to eat it in a healthier way. So if you like this video, please give it a big thumbs up and don't forget to subscribe to my channel if you have not already. And I will see you all in my next video. Bye guys.